I can do here is called descriptive statistics. And this is as we start to move from data wrangling into analyzing the data, it can give me a picture of different pieces of data. Now, some of these things may not make a whole lot of sense to you if you haven't had statistics, but age.mean gives me the average age in that data frame. So if I want to very quickly find out some simple things about this data, okay, and if I'm not using that cell, I can just delete it. I'll keep the main one up here. But if I want to print df.mean, I think I'm not doing that. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's not the what I meant to do. df.age. If I wanted to get the average age here, dot mean. There we go. That's the way I want to do it. Okay, so the average age in that data set is 40.98, so almost 50. If I want to say what is the minimum age in that data set, I can grab it. If I want to say the max. Nice thing about that, all of this is really quick and easy for me to play around with in the Jupyter Notebook. I can just test and revise code, and I can see the result immediately below it. So that is really, really useful. If I want to get a set of automatically generated descriptive statistics, I just hit df.describe, and it gives me a pre-programmed set of descriptive statistics on the things that it can do numerical calculations on. So, in other words, it's not telling me anything about the names or the cities or the states. It's focusing on what are the things where I can do statistics. So it's saying the count, the mean average, the standard deviation, the minimum, the 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and the max. And those things are all significant from a statistical standpoint. So I've for those for age and for pets. So those give me an idea. Now I kind of know the average age of the people in the study. I kind of know the average number of pets that they have. So if I'm doing a study that says how does age relate to the number of pets that people have, or what state has the most number of pets for people who are over 50 years old, I could find that information by doing different things to this data. I can understand what those people are doing and what they like and what they have. So mean, median, max, minimum, and then describe gives me a mix of all of those things. There are many other descriptive statistics that you can do with Pandas, but we're not going to go into that too deeply here. Just giving you a taste of what's out there.